Serene Gardens 2 at Al Farjan. Features and amenities. Serene Garden 2 set itself apart with a host of top towering amenities, including 24/7 secure, smart home technology, and a grand double height ceiling lobby. Residents can indulge in a luxury lifestyle surrounded by a lush greenery and a peaceful ambience, where they can having a peaceful retreat.
Right, this is Aftab. So today we are at the show apartment project name is Serene Garden 1 in Al Farjan. So let's have a look into apartment first. This is a one bedroom apartment. It's come with all appliances and fully furnished. So whatever the ceramic they used, whatever the kitchen appliances they used in show apartment, they will provide as it is. This is a spacious apartment, one bedroom. You can see because they have multiple sizes in one bedroom, and because they have a bigger sizes, they have a small sizes. So this is around 1100 square feet. Yeah, I will show you this apartment view. You can see.
The green ambience of the community further elevates the active lifestyle for everyone, aligned with the leisure treat for their family and kids. Key facilities: business lounge, serene oasis pool, kids play area, games room, clubhouse cinema, meditation area, gazebo, barbecue area, gymnasium, outdoor workout zone. What else? Serene Garden 2, Al Farjan. If this project inspired you, pick the phone for booking.
This is Aftab. If you have a 100,000, you can be on the apartment. Just tell my number 05 and 185 for sure.